Have you ever wondered if there is a magical blend to attract the opposite sex? Here's the great news. There is. There is actually a science behind scent attraction. The point is that how you smell matters. And we've come up with 10 amazing fragrances that will drive women crazy. So, let's get to it. Imagine soft candlelight, your special someone in front of you, and the scent of Cuban tobacco lingering in the air. The scene is set for the perfect date. With patchouli, known for its earthy, woody, and slightly sweet fragrance as a base, the rich aroma of tobacco leaf adds a layer of depth and masculinity that's hard to resist. Couple that with the sweet notes of honey and vanilla, and you've got a long-lasting, heady scent that she'll dream about long after the evening is over. Next up, we have the ultimate fragrance to make a lasting impression, Glow by Aesop. It's a cocktail of lush florals, spicy warmth, and a hint of mysterious wood. With top notes of cardamom and pink pepper, the scent develops further with fresh neroli and sweet orange flowers. A fresh and spicy fragrance to intrigue her senses. Monocle surprises with a camphor-heavy, herbaceous take on hinoki that feels like standing in a drenched forest after the rain. The inspiration for scent 01 hinoki came from Tawaraya's famous open-air hinoki oforo, otherwise known as Japanese wooden baths. This perfume perfectly captures the oforo, the scent of the hinoki wood heated by the water, the greenery all around, and even a hint of meditative incense. With its oriental roots, this subtle and mysterious scent is sure to attract any woman's attention. For a late night in, we suggest Misfit by Arquiste, a decadent blend of regal sophistication and rebellious charm, all wrapped up in one irresistible scent. Wearing it feels like wrapping yourself in a luxurious cashmere blanket, with warm ambery notes that add a touch of allure. Add to that French lavender, exotic balsams, and musky ambers with the sweetness of patchouli. Misfit will be your secret weapon for a late-night rendezvous. If you want to leave a trail of seduction in your wake when you enter any room, you need a perfume that screams power, strength, and success. And the best-seller of the Creed family, Aventus, is just the scent. Its compelling blend opens with a symphony of fruity notes, like crisp apple and succulent blackcurrant. Then, jasmine, pineapple, and patchouli blend together. And finally, a rich, woody base, along with Creed's signature ambroxan, lingers on the skin, leaving a lasting impression of sophistication and masculinity. The next fragrance in the line is paper-inspired. Yes, paper, evoking the scent of ink. This scent is both sensual and nostalgic. Notes of luminous mimosa, steamed rice, and white musk work together to awaken the senses. The folks behind this masterpiece knew what they were doing. They started with something as basic as a grain, and then jazzed it up with a sweet musk that screams intimacy. It's just the kind of understated scent that women find impossible to forget. Now for the sexiest one on the list, Leighton by Parfum de Mali. From the first spritz, the tangy burst of bergamot ignites a passion that's impossible to ignore and takes your confidence to the sky. The hint of caramelized coffee is utterly addictive. If you're looking for sexy sophistication in a bottle, this is it. For a luxurious smoky scent, look no further than Tobacco Vanille by Tom Ford. At first sniff, you'll pick up on that rich tobacco scent, mingling with just the right amount of spice to tantalize your senses. It's spicy, it's woody, and it's downright intoxicating. As you let it settle in, you'll start to notice hints of tonka bean, cocoa, and wood, with a touch of dried fruits. This scent doesn't overpower. It's more like a subtle dance of comforting warmth that lingers on your skin, inviting your companion to lean in and take another whiff. Women may love a cowboy, but even city slickers can turn on the cowboy vibe with our next scent, DS and Durga's Cowboy Grass. This fragrance is a journey through the untamed wilderness, where flowering white thyme, prairie switchgrass intertwine with the earthy richness of Haitian vetiver, adding depth and allure to this sweet and smoky composition. Creating an aura of mystery and ruggedness, this scent will turn heads wherever you go. Our last fragrance is as memorable as it is intriguing. An everyday scent that is perfect for unplanned encounters. The base note of amber follows you throughout the day, revealing new scents along the way. A lively burst of fresh, grassy vibes gradually turns into a spicy richness as the day goes on. By evening, it settles into a cozy mix of earthy woods and warm ambergris, giving off a more mellow and thoughtful vibe. Capturing the essence of the English countryside with its blend of grasses, spices, and woods, Amber by Laboratory Perfumes is an exclusive scent that has already captured many hearts. So, there it is. Your 10 manly fragrances that are guaranteed to drive women crazy. Test and experiment with different scents to find what works best for you. Remember, your skin chemistry can totally change a scent. Here's a good rule of thumb. If you can't smell it on yourself after a while, it is probably the right one for you. Finding your signature scent is key in leaving a lasting impression. This will be your go-to fragrance, the scent people will remember you by. But of course, one scent doesn't fit all occasions. You might have a summer fling with a lighter, alcohol-free fragrance, or choose something subtle and professional for the office. You may find that extra special scent you save for dates. Whatever your lifestyle, with this list, you're well on your way to finding the magical elixir you've been searching for. Until next time, stay stylish.